Sweet, let's get you checked in.
Cool.
You wanted to do that pipe and that air cleaner that I got in for you?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, let's do it at the same time.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how to do that tuner too while we got it
Yes,
out there.
please. That'd be great. I'd
All right,
love
sweet.
to see that set up on my phone.
Come on back, let's
Cool.
do it. So this is that tuner that I was telling you about, the Screaming Eagle. So it's going to keep your factory warranty
Okay.
while you're able to run that new air cleaner in those pipes that you like.
Sweet,
All right,
sweet. All
let's
right.
get it set up because the first thing we need to do is check with the computer to make sure that the firmware is up to date.
Okay.
Stage 1 is going to be everything from intake to exhaust. Stage 2 throws in a cam. So we don't really need to do anything
Oh, so we're not doing stage 2
until we
today.
do stage 2.
Oh,
So-
stage 2 is cam. I thought stage 2 is intake and exhaust.
Nope.
Ah, all right.
So then you're gonna go, so we've got it up, we've checked the firmware for the program. Now we're gonna check the firmware for the actual tuner itself.
Okay.
So we're gonna connect it to our device here. The BCI is actually what they call the tuner itself. And so you're looking for this guy right here. So our mobile scan tells us that we're connected to that device. We select it, we pair it. So now what it's doing is it's searching for the newest software.
Okay.
Once it has that, what it's gonna do is connect it to your VIN number. So if anyone ever were to try to use this on their motorcycle, it won't
It's
connect.
VIN locked.
Correct.
Gotcha. After this, you're gonna show me how to put it on my phone, so I can see it on my phone, right?
Correct.
And that's when I if I ever want to do more of a tune, I can
Yep.
use my phone for it.
Yeah, if you wanted to do smart tuning on the fly, it can actually adjust some things. You could put it into an auto tune. Doesn't work as well unless you have the big
wide
bungs.
bands.
Correct,
Right.
correct. But it can alter certain things if you wanted to. Now that it's got its program, we can go ahead and download the app onto your phone
Okay.
and proceed with tuning from there.
Oh, so okay, cool.
All right, now that we've proceeded with the laptop there, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect our Y cable and plug this guy directly in to your diagnostic port.
All right.
Then we're gonna turn the bike on again. We're gonna look at this guy with the green flashes.
Okay.
Now on your phone, you should be able to tune, connect to BCI.
All right.
Then you're gonna wait for the device name to come up in there. So those last numbers on there, you're gonna check and make sure that they're the correct with the last numbers on here.
Yep. Okay.
So go ahead and select it. As soon as it connects, next should pop up.
Perfect. Okay. Cool. Cool. Cool.
All right, now that we got you all hooked up, let's go ahead and we'll get the bike turned on.
Okay.
Let it boot up. All right, now that we've paired your phone with the tuner itself, we're gonna go ahead and select the stage 1 tuning. So standard, because we don't have wideband O2 sensors.
Right.
So we're gonna pick the 121. We're gonna look in here and make sure that all we have is correct. So we don't have any cams. We've got a Screaming Eagle air cleaner. And the only one that you're gonna have to pick in here is a Screaming Eagle exhaust system.
Standard
so
exhaust, right.
That's fine for now. We're also wanting to do this maintaining your factory warranty. Next, it's gonna show us the options that we have for the stages. So you don't have a 135, this is a standard CVO ST. So we're gonna select the 121. Tells us everything here that the bike is equipped with. So if you do have different exhaust, unfortunately with this tuner to maintain the warranty, the only exhaust that shows up is Screaming Eagle. That's fine, it's gonna give you what you need. So we're gonna go to program with this calibration.
Okay.
It's gonna give us a couple of warnings. Also tell you to keep your device open, keep constant power to the bike, not turning it off. It's gonna give us another warning. So if this were to, the bike were to go off or anything in the middle, it could cause a problem with the ECM where you would have to bring it back to us. But we have it hooked up to a battery tender, so we know we're good. Gonna give us one more attention. Gonna select okay, gonna give us another warning. I just wanna make sure you want to exactly do this.
Yeah,
So-
we don't want to avoid these warranties.
So now that it's paired with both of each other, it wants you to turn the ignition off real quick
Okay.
and then go ahead and turn it back on. Do not start the bike.
Okay.
Okay, so now that the adaptive fuel, so that's your air fuel mixture.
Okay.
It wants to reset that before it's gonna program the bike.
Okay.
Now that that's all zeroed out, we're gonna go ahead and program the motorcycle. And this is gonna take about approximately 5 minutes. The bar will show you across once it's completed, and then it should give you some more prompts on what to do next.
Perfect.
Now that the programming is complete, it's been flashed to the ECM. It's going to give you a couple prompts here.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn the ignition switch off and wait for 20 seconds.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Now that we've waited the 20 seconds, let's go ahead and turn the bike back on.
Okay.
The programming has been done to the ECM. We've shut off the bike for the 20 seconds and allowed everything to kind of calm down. We've gone ahead and restarted the bike. Now we're just going to make sure, as they say, perform all necessary steps to check for codes. Normally this isn't going to trip codes, but what we'll do is we'll close this guy out. We'll just go ahead and start the bike.
Okay, neutral, ready?
Yep. So now that the bike is running, we can look at the infotainment system. See, we don't have any check engine codes on, so we're good to go.
Thanks. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,